Welcome traders back to another video with Trading Secrets with EJ. So in this video, I'm going to go over the SSL channel. So the SSL channel is a trend-based indicator that helps you filter out a lot of the noise so you know which direction the market is kind of going in. This tool is good for the most part and getting you into a good trending market, but a lot of times it's going to help you. You're going to need other things that's going to help give you a better indication of when to get in the market. And you're going to see why in a minute. So let's go ahead and get into this indicator, the SSL channel. Let's see. All right, so SSS channel. Now, with this tool, you can use it however you want to. I personally use it in this way. So I like to change, see, red is supposed to be selling. I like to make the lines a little bit more thicker for me. And when you are buying, I don't like to use green, I like to use blue. And I like to make the line thicker on that too, if it wants to actually do that. Let's go. Come on. There you go. All right. So with this tool, it's actually pretty good from a lot of traders that I've heard. The problem is you can be caught in a trending market and it gets a little bit more complicated, like right around here where it's consolidating. You'll see it switch back and forth. So a nice good trend, you have to use it in conjunction with the trend lines. So this would be a nice good trend. It broke out. It started letting you know it's trending. And a lot of times this indicator, as you see right now, can flip flop back and forth, which makes it very difficult on a lot of things. If it's flipping back and forth like that, it's going to be a problem. Now, I can show you on smaller time frames of how quickly this thing will flip back and forth, making it a little bit more difficult to see the overall trend. It can be trending. And I drop down to the 1 minute so you can actually test it. So you broke out of that uptrend that was small. You created a small downtrend, and the red stayed above the blue the entire time. So that means the sellers are in control the entire time until it switched, and then it switched back and forth, giving you just a headache of whatever else is going. It's just constantly going back and forth, consolidating. That will give you a headache. So it's a good trend-based indicator. I personally, again, don't use it anymore because it was very complicated to really see exactly what was going on overall. So what I decided to do was, kind of scrap this tool. But if you want to use it, it's a good tool. You just have to use it to the best of your ability. That's all I can explain to you with this indicator. And even if you switched over to a higher time frame, if you're going to use this, it's recommended that you use it on a higher time frame, which is a daily and above. That gives you a better overall trend bias of where you're going. That's the best advice I can give you for this tool. So say, for example, you have a, looks like to be a downtrend down here, but I wouldn't use that one. That doesn't look very good trend line for that. Okay, so this is your downtrend. The entire time you have a downtrend, you know that the market is moving in a downward motion. And you would use this tool to validate that you know that the trend has switched. It's on the daily. So this entire zone from down here is what I probably would be looking at. It broke out, retested, you know it's going to be trending for quite some time because that was on the daily structure. So this took a lot of money, a lot of candles to push this thing out. So you know that there's definitely going to be money there. And that's how I would leave this tool, and that's how I would use it. You can use it with any other tools that you want. And that's about it for the video for that. Is best I can tell you with this tool. You can use it in however many different time periods you want it. It's already preset at 10 periods, so 10 candles back, 10 candles forward, and that's pretty much going to set your range for the next candle when it prints. and that's how you look at the tool. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys' time with this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.